Okay, so the market opened at 9:30 US time. Immediately it started to skyrocket for more than like 40 points, I guess, like about 40 points. And then I decided that it should go back down to VWAP line or to moving average at least. And I was kind of right, so I like went short over here, but then it returned back up, and I had a stop loss here at $20 level. Then it started to went down, and I thought that it's gonna touch the VWAP and gonna go up again. But I was wrong. Minus $100 today.